because sometimes people like don't have cash, like how they will pay, so they don't have any idea, like because sometimes maybe like people have one house they don't want to sell. So in that scenario, how the things will work, that is like I have just curiosity because sometimes
It
maybe.
depends, I mean, I currently work with a couple, husband and wife. They've been living in downtown Bellevue in a condo, and they wanted to, I mean, they are moving into an assisted living. We already found a place. They are moving into an assisted living. But when we had the initial conversation, they talking about selling the condo, uh, and I suggested to them, you know, why do you sell the condo when you could rent the condo? And if you rent this condo in the middle, in the heart of downtown Bellevue, the monthly income you get from that, it would cover your assisted living costs, all of it.
Yeah, that's the
Or,
innovative idea. Like sometimes
yeah,
people don't think about it.
yeah. So they talked it between themselves and they decided to rent the condo, spend a few $1,000s in remodeling it a little bit and upgrade it, and they're going to be renting the condo, and they're going to have an income, a steady income that will cover most, if not all, of their assisted living costs. Yeah. So there are ways to, when people have assets, there are ways to manage that in order to uh, benefit from it long term.
That's like so nice because that is I think the people would like to prefer to expert because most of the time people have confusion like how they will manage the finance when they're looking for these kind of services or these kind of facilities because they think like they don't have money but actually they have money but they don't know like how to utilize it. And
Yeah, and the person who really can help with that would be a good financial advisor. And but this is one of the services that I provide. It's not just placement, but if somebody needs a good real estate agent, I can make a couple recommendations. If someone needs financial advice, I can recommend, a few financial advisors that I know they're really good and they helped other people before, and people that are very happy with the services they receive. So there are resources out there. Uh, so many people, they just don't know what those resources are. But I'm doing the best I can to help them by providing them with a wide variety of information. That's why my services are referral, advisory, and placement services.